2-minute magic. Cake so good, you'll bake it daily. Sweet, spicy, creamy, crunchy. This cake is a flavor party. And guess what? It's ready in 2 minutes. Hey, flavor adventurers. I'm Chef Yi. Let's smash boring desserts and fuse global flavors into one crazy good mug cake. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Matcha powder, Japan, plus coconut milk, Thailand. Cinnamon, Mexico, plus dark chocolate, Belgium. Cardamom, India, plus citrus zest, Italy. Raid your pantry. This is a no-rules recipe. Sweet, savory, spicy. We're mixing it all. Dump, stir, repeat. Go wild. Add that weird spice jar. Swirl in peanut butter. This cake is your canvas. Pro tip, sweet plus salty, magic. Mug spins in microwave. Timer, 2 minutes. Chef does a flavor explosion hand gesture. Cake rises with gooey center close-up. Zap it and boom! Look at that lava flow. Ding, oh, that's the sound of flavor fusion winning. Chef decorates with fusion toppings, tahini drizzle plus pomegranate seeds, crushed pretzels plus mango chunks, or espresso powder plus coconut flakes. Text, go bold or go home. Oh, Middle Eastern tahini, tropical mango, coffee crunch? Yes. Breakfast, dessert, midnight snack? All of the above. Tag me. I need your fusion ideas. Flavor bomb. Over. Sweet, smoky, spicy. This cake's a vibe. Smash subscribe for more unreasonably delicious mashups. Next up, ramen cookies, sushi cupcakes. You'll want to be here. Toverley. Subscribe, become a flavor rebel. Voiceover. Bye, rebels. Remember, life's too short for basic cakes. See you in the next mashup.